Hello, it's been a while. Let's go vintage shopping. We are going again to the biggest vintage market in Europe. It's in Milan, Italy, and it happens every last Sunday of the month. I'm very excited to bring you guys along. I have baby girl with me, so if you hear any squeaks and squeals, it's definitely her. But yeah, I'm very excited to bring you here. It's called Mercato Antiquariato in Navili. It happens every last Sunday of the month. So let's go and see what's new and what they have. Everyone. Kaç golaban kaç şey? Golaban kaç şey?
Ja, zo meer uit, normaal vloeden.
Can pass.
Ahora qué pasa, no dai.
Kızım bacı. Singaccio canaccioleno. Andiamo in degno,
C'era questo qua di Lush. Perché la cara è un po' geometrico.
Arunji, Arunji. Ne geçsin hocam? Ne oldu sen? Arunji. mommy. What's wrong with life? Sì, sì, infatti. Mami, mami, mami. A te non cada, no? No, mami.
Tranne questo che è ancora più vecchio, che sono perfetti.
Io mi stanco a camminare così bianca.
I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for coming along with me to Vintage Market. It's been a little harder with a newborn baby, but I was determined to come here and film, and she has enjoyed it as well. I was with my mom, who has enjoyed it as well. I hope you have as well. Give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.